Hi everybody! I'm so excited today because my Guggenheim shears came in the mail. This is not an ad. I repeat, this is not an ad, but Guggenheim, if you are listening, I'm happy to chat because I'm already in love with these. It almost feels like I stole these because I only paid $5.91 for them through the TikTok shop. So definitely check your coupons, and if you can get them on sale, do it. But if you can't, honestly, just buy them. They're amazing. We're going to test these out today by making storage baskets out of drying mats from Dollar Tree. I've seen this all over TikTok, and the way I'm doing it is kind of a mix between how everybody's been doing it, so I really can't tag a specific person for this idea. But if you look it up, you'll see a whole bunch of different versions, and just try it out. It's super easy and very beginner friendly. Now, when I tell you these cut like butter, these cut like butter. This probably isn't the best representation for them, but I've never had a pair of scissors cut this cleanly, even when they were obviously too small for the job they were doing. I'm definitely going to save up and keep an eye out on coupons to get all of the other sizes of their shears and their nippers because I'm hooked. Seriously, guys, just buy them. They're amazing. I'm not doing a very good job explaining what I'm doing here, and I do apologize for that. First, you're going to start with boxing your corners after folding the mat in half, and then I'm drawing on lines to add quilted lines to this to give it a little bit more shape at the end. Also, these pens do not like this fabric very well, so if you have any recommendations for heat erasable pens, I'm all ears. These work, but they have a hard time gliding over fabric. So this is just showing you after I've quilted those lines, and you're going to attach the sides. If you have a regular domestic machine, definitely go slow on this. I have a Strong and Tough, and it does pretty good with bulky materials, but I know that basic domestic machines may have a little bit of a hard time with this. Just go slow. It's not a race. And yes, I'm using those shears to trim all of my threads. I'm honestly trying to come up with any reason to use them. You're actually going to sew down the corners on the outside first. I did about 1/8 of an inch seam here, and once we're done, we're actually going to flip it inside out again and do a 1/4 inch seam on those same edges. This is going to hide your seam. Now on this spot, I didn't do a very good job of cutting a very straight line, and I ended up kind of sewing off of the seam that I was trying to make. So the seam ripper came out for just a minute, and then I went back over my stitches a little bit, back stitched, and then went back over just to make it a little bit secure, but it's going to be hidden anyway, so it's okay. Also, I just noticed all of the dust on the top of my sewing machine. Please ignore that. I've been doing a lot of sewing lately, and I haven't had a lot of time to do extra cleanup, so everything's covered in dust. So ignore it. I'm so sorry. And again, I'm coming up with any reason to use these shears, but I'm just trimming up my threads. We just have one more corner to finish sewing. Again, you're going to do a 1/4 inch seam on these inside parts. It's going to hide the 1/8 inch seam on the outside that we did. And we're going to flip this inside out and pop out our corners and fluff it and tug it and pinch it wherever we think we need to. And it's all done. I made a total of 4 of these, and it only took about 25 minutes total. So try it out. I want to see yours in the comments below.